first option you have is the standard mileage method. IRS has predefined what is the dollar amount you will get for each business miles, right? So for 2025, it was a 70 cent, and for 2026, it is a 72.5 cents. So basically, in standard mileage method, you don't have to do anything, like not much of a thing. It is not an headache for most of the taxpayer, because you just have to track your business miles and multiply those business miles, that mileage cents given by the IRS. So that is 72.5. So let's assume you have a 10,000 miles, and 72.5, when you multiply it, it would be around $7,250. So you get the deduction in that. Now,
Mm.
that $7,000 includes everything. Like it includes your gas, maintenance, insurance, wear and tear,
Mm.
everything. So you can't go like taking the mileage deduction and also adding all those expenses in your income statement. It is, like a very thin line between those. So need to be more careful.